Okay, what is that?
No, that's 3-2. You broke. 3-2. Thunder Mifflin, this is Pam.
Pam, it's Michael. Help me. I need help right now.
Michael, what's Michael, do you need me to call an ambulance?
No, I want you to pick me up.
Okay. Wait a second. I thought you said that you were hurt.
I hurt my foot. I want to come to work, but I need you to come and pick me up.
The fuck is he talking about?
Hey, whoa, Michael. It's okay. It's Jim. Just say again really loudly what happened.
I burned my foot very badly on my forearm grill, and I now need someone to come and bring me into work.
You burned your foot on a Foreman grill.
I enjoy having breakfast in bed. I like waking up to the smell of bacon, sue me. And since I don't have a butler, I have to do it myself. So, most nights before I go to bed, I will lay 6 strips of bacon out on my George Foreman grill. Then I go to sleep. When I wake up, I plug in the grill. I go back to sleep again. Then I wake up to the smell of crackling bacon. It is delicious, it's good for me, it's a perfect way to start the day. Today I got up, I stepped onto the grill and clamped down on my foot. That's it. I don't see what's so hard to believe about that.
I've had a Foreman grill for about 6 years. I've done about 85% of my cooking on it. But I've never burnt myself. Probably because I don't use it as a pillow.
Can you come get me?
I have to stay here and answer the phone.
Okay, can someone come and get me, please, Ryan?
Michael, you should stay home and rest.
There's some toilet paper here. Can Ryan tell Ryan to bring toilet paper? Can you tell him that?
Can you hop?
I tried hopping, Kevin, and I bumped my elbow against the wall, and now my elbow has a protuberance. No one wants to pick me up.
What is going on? What is going on?
Michael is sick and he wants one of us to rescue him.
I'm coming, Michael. I'm gonna save you.
Where's Dwight gonna go?
Hold on, Michael. I am coming. Take this.
Michael, why don't you call your girlfriend?
I don't have a girlfriend.
You said you went out with Luke this weekend.
It's all made up. Just someone come, okay? Anyone but Dwight.
What was that?
Oh, he hit the pole.
I'm crashing.